I absolutely love UGreen products. I have probably about 5 or 6 USB-C cables already. I keep them next to my little reading chair. I keep them in my everyday carry backpack. I keep them next to the desk here, and I've got them everywhere. Now, I recently took a trip up to Hamilton to see my girlfriend, and she didn't have a long 9-foot USB-C cable. So the one that I had in my everyday carry backpack, I left up there. Obviously, I had to replace that. So I went and ordered another UGreen USB-C cable. Now this one will stay in my everyday carry backpack as well. And I love how it's the kind of woven cables. They all come with the ties for it, and just an absolutely great cable. And this one, once you charge this one, just like Ronnie the robot here, has an LCD screen. So I'll show you what that looks like. So once we plug this into Ronnie the robot, you'll see, and we'll charge my Z Fold 4 with it quickly. You'll notice it has the little eyes on it. How cool is that?